Hey guys, and welcome back to Schneid's 15. Today we're just going to give you a quick update video on what's going on here in the garage. We're going to have some how-to videos coming at you for the ATVs, snowmobiles and stuff, but right now I'm just hard into this thing, working on it. I showed you guys that I got an XRS last time, and we've been hard on the garage. I left off showing you where we left off last time, and there was stuff everywhere, but I got my corner updated. We got some siding on the back here. We're gonna make this into kind of our bar area. It looks pretty cool. Got the skid plate for the sled all painted up here. We're gonna see how that holds up. It's gonna look good blue. The old GM tailgate, but yeah, we got some stuff left in here to sort, but just some random stuff here. So yeah, but anyways, here's the sled. Here I got the Chemical Guys VRP on it. It'll be really shiny like that for a bit, and then it'll go away after it soaks in. It's been on there for about an hour. It's starting to get less of a greasy look, and it'll make this thing look like brand new by tomorrow. Right now it's kind of got the greasy look still, but it'll go away. We got the numbers on the sled, and as you guys can see, we got the chain case out. We got jack shaft out. The track should be here tomorrow. Been working on a little bit of everything. All the skid bushings are done. Shocks are done, and I just wanted to put in a quick word here about where I got my shocks done. I got them done at a place called Shock Tech, and I suggest if you're in Canada to give Frank a call. I'm gonna put a description in the link just because I love how he treats me business wise, and just great guy to deal with. So I'm just gonna show you or give you a little bit of a link in the description there so you can go on his website. If you're in Canada or wherever, you can ship them to him or go and drop them off at his place. He's down by Kitchener-Waterloo area in Ontario, and yeah, he got all 4 shocks done on this thing, rebuilt around, I think I paid $300 for them. And so he's got really good prices and does really good work, guys. He's done 2 of my sleds now. We're gonna take him some more shocks soon. But anyways, I'll put a link in the description for that. Don't want to ramble on too much, but shocks are rebuilt. I got the coils yellow, got the tunnel protectors yellow. I cleaned up the brake because the top upper chain case seal was leaking, so it was all oily, so we cleaned that all up. The snow flap, I actually found one from Skidoo, an X package one, and we got the secondary off there. Got in here, cleaned everything up, making it beautiful. Everything looks good. A little bit of cracking around the edges of my reed boots here, just like a surface crack. It's kind of common, but no, everything else is good here for where I've inspected it. Checked out my oil lines to make sure they're all good, and working on everything in here. Basically, as you can see, the A-arms are off. We're putting oil light bushings in them. They were gone, and the ski bushings were gone. They're really loose in there, so we're going to redo those. But overall, everything is good. Need any suggestions for what would clean the inside of my tank to clear this up again? Maybe seafoam and stuff, I'm not sure. Injector cleaner. If any of you guys have suggestions, I would really appreciate that, just so it's easier to see my fuel level in there. It's not bad on the race sleds because they have mixed gas and you can see it really easily because it's dark. But yeah, that's about it. That Chemical Guys VRP really does work well on everything. It makes it all look brand new. So like I said, a lot of the glossiness will go away here in another day or so and make it just look like factory. But we got a can for it for the early late season riding. Still have this for OFSC riding. The can actually didn't fit, so it's for sale again, or it's not actually mine. I gotta give it back, but it will be for sale. It's from a buddy. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put the rest of these A-arm bushings in and get this back together, and we'll be back filming with you guys here in probably tomorrow or so when we start putting the track in and the skid and get everything back up. We got all new bearings in there and sliders, so just a quick update video showing you the progress on the sled, and I got my buddy Ken to make up some numbers again, and yeah, that's about it. So anyways, we'll get back to you within the next couple days, and stay tuned for more videos. As always guys, thanks for watching, and please give the channel a like and a subscribe. If my videos interest you, please click on my channel and check out my other videos.